Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap San Pablo local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our expert movers make your long-distance move more convenient. We help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the country. The right moving services make all the difference, and we offer just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Along with the standard long-distance moving services, we also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the expense. However, following a close look at the major perks of hiring a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. You gain the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which can be well worth it. Movers can also assure you don't need to deal with any of the heavy lifting. With our experienced movers, you get a very effective move from start to finish. Moving day gets easier with 3 movers simply because we improve your entire move. Moving locally may be very fast, and our team can deal with even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Pablo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.